Bergara stand. The B14 is not a new product now, but it's a hell of a good product for the money. I shoot the HMR, not in 300. There's some new models here. This is a 300 Win Mag version. 5-shot mag, obviously not as big, different mag housing. Again, good for some people. Left-handed version, always nice. Medium weight barrel, threaded 1x18 metric. This is the Ridge rifle, again quite nice and basic. What I was particularly taken with was the Premier Ridgeback, which is the same heavy barrel, action, similar action, got a fluted bolt body, a very different adjustable comb, adjustable length to pull, and a more Millen style pistol grip, which gives a nice upright position and a good trigger finger position. Again threaded 1x18. Rails underneath, rails on the side, and down below here is the BMP. My colleague, editorial assistant Ed Jackson, he has one of these. I have an HMR, and I've got to say, they're a cracking rifle. They really are.